In this short tutorial video, let me teach you how to exchange currency on Revolut. If you're trying to transfer payments to a different country using any specific currencies that you may need, you can easily exchange it within Revolut. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get right into it. In order for you to exchange the currency on Revolut from the home page, you'll be able to see the option called exchange on the screen. If you don't see this option of exchange, what you can do is tap on the three dotted line which says more, and here you'll be able to pick the option called exchange. So just tap on the exchange option. Now here is going to show you different currencies. If you want to switch between currencies, you can also do that by tapping on each of these currencies. Now the top currency is the currency that you're trying to exchange from. So for example, if you have USD, it's going to show up on the top, and if you want to exchange to some other currency that you're trying to buy, it's going to show up on the second option. You can also switch between currencies by tapping on this arrow and select a different currency if you like. You can also do the same for the currency that you're trying to buy. So once you've done that, type in the amount that you're trying to exchange and then just tap on the button which says sell USD for euro. If the currency that you're exchanging is different, it's going to say different for yours. But for the most part, you just need to tap on this button. And just like that, your currency will be exchanged within Revolut. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one.